What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I go by the Fashion Dial. In today's video, I have a affordable luxury unboxing. If you guys checked out the previous video, I had a Gucci unboxing. So this is the same day. We doing double unboxing, y'all. So you know, just in case you're like, girl, you got the same thing. Oh no, boo boo. We lit over here. We doing different videos, same day. But no, y'all, it's late as hell. But anyway. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys what I got. So really quick, I've just been searching high and low for bags lately, and we all know Coach is that girl. Coach has been popping up everywhere. So I ordered this bag from Nordstrom's because Coach didn't have this particular color in. So this is the tabby bag. Let's see. It just says tabby SB20. This bag retailed for $450. This is the bag that I got. Oh, hold on. Tape stuck. Oh, she's so cute. She little. So this is in the color blue gray. Is that what it is? This is the quilted tabby. Yeah. So this is her. Really pretty color. This bag is going to be perfect for the spring. I did think this bag was going to be darker. I thought it was like more of a dark gray, but it's not. It's more of a blue with gray undertone. So you have your different compartments right here. You can fit your phone in here. I have the 13 Pro Max. So you can fit it in there. This part is magnetic, so that's how you click it and you just pull. You have an outside pocket as well, right? And then we can't forget, oh, okay, got a little dust bag, and you can't forget right here. Another compartment. So my phone is able to fit in here. I could probably put like a gloss, a mirror, hand sanitizer inside of here. This is the Coach tag right here, and then the straps are silver. Y'all, they have this in so many different colors. So you can do this as a shoulder or a, what you call it? A shoulder bag or crossbody style. Hold on. Alrighty, so they do have this in a 26 as well. So this is the double straps, and then you can crossbody the bag. So yeah, stop right here. It's really cute. It's soft. So we're gonna put this right here because I also ended up getting a card holder to match. So okay, so I ended up getting a card holder. For some reason they had the card holder at the Coach store, but the bag wasn't. So just this little Coach card. Thank you for shopping with Coach. And then This says, congratulations, you're a YouTube partner now. You definitely deserve it. More accomplishments to come. Oh, wow. I didn't even remember writing myself a note, but cool. So, this is another gift, y'all. If y'all seen my Gucci unboxing, y'all know I bought me that little Gucci chain wallet bag. So check that video out. That was a gift to myself for becoming a YouTube partner. And also this Coach bag, okay? So this is the card holder. So cute. How cute is this? So the matching bag and a card holder, baby. Super cute. So I'm gonna put her in here. And we good to go, baby. We good for spring 2024, period. So yeah, she is a beauty. She is a nice quality bag. The leather is soft. It's buttery. I love the design. I love that quilted look. That big C right here makes it look so luxury. Coach is coming through with the products, okay? If you into little small bags, then go for it. If not, go up to the 26. Like I said, I usually don't carry much. I think it's like cute for going out, you know, all that fun stuff. So yeah, that was it, y'all. Just a quick unboxing. I just wanted to share with you all what I got. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And let me know if you'll be picking up a Coach bag for this year. You know, if you feeling Coach, what are your thoughts? What are your thoughts on this bag? Yeah, let me know. Bye.